Hello guys, welcome back again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, your channel where you get tips and tricks and information to make money online, starting with survey down to other online businesses. And for this particular video, we're going to be reviewing a platform that can give you 10 proxies every day for free. Guys, it gives you 10 proxies every day for free. And currently you can be able to get proxy for United Kingdom, United States, and I think um Canada, or either Canada or any other country, but you get basically from three major countries. Okay, so now before we go straight right to the video, first I want to appreciate every one of you who are taking time to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We are currently at 174 subscribers at the moment, so if you are watching this video right now, please hit on the subscribe button. Let's get this channel to 300 subscribers by the end of this July, so please do that for me. And secondly, I was thinking about something and I said I will ask my viewers. I was thinking of creating a community on WhatsApp or Telegram where my viewers, you watching the video right now, you can be part of my community and you get information as regarding surveys. The community is going to be majorly for those doing surveys, or if you want to know more about surveys. Now this is going to be helpful for you. If you have questions, urgent questions, you can put it on the group, and fellow people who are doing surveys with you may have an experience, and I'll always be there too to respond to your messages and maybe drop some tips, some things that we may not be able to put here on YouTube. We can talk about it on that community. But I'm still thinking about it, and based on the comments I get from this video and maybe subsequent video I'm going to be talking about it again, that would either make or that would make the decision if that community will be created or not. So if you want a community to be created, just put in the comment section that you are interested and that the community, WhatsApp community, should be created for Value of Academy. So without further ado, let's go to today's video proper. All right, so if you want to go to this platform, just check this comment section of this video or the description. You're going to get the link that's going to take you to the website. Okay, so once you get to the website, it's going to pop up like this. Okay, this is called Webshare. Okay, and guys, I just want to let you know that these guys, they also sell proxies. Okay, so if you want to get proxy, I'm going to be reviewing a proxy from them as well in the next video. So if you are sure you want that, just subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss that video that's coming up next. I'm going to show you how I was able to get proxies from this particular suppliers for as low as even $1. All right, so but let's go with this video. I just want to show you how to get the free 10 proxies every day. So if you are unlike me, or if you are not yet signed up with this particular platform, you want to come here and click on sign up, and you just go with your email. If you have your email already signed in on the browser, just click on your email and you sign it, or you can manually input your email and create a password. All right, but for me, I've already created an email, an account with them. I have an account with them, so I'm just going to log in my account. So for me, I'm going to use sign in with Google. Sign in with Google. If you don't have an account, you are going to be using sign up with Google. All right, or you can input your email and your password. Yes, so I'm going to do that, and we're going to get to the next screen. All right, so once you once you sign up or you log in, it's going to give you this interface. Now this is your dashboard, and here you have what they call proxy plan. It said 10 free proxies. Your proxies are from 3 countries. You say you have 10 free proxies included in your plan. Get started for free. So you can view your proxy list here. All right, so you can see the proxies country, but when you open it properly, you're going to see it. So you can just click on view my proxy list, but maybe for you, depending on when you are watching this video, this interface might have changed. So what you can do is that you can come to this place on your left hand corner here, and you're going to see over here where they say proxy list. Okay, so it's same thing, just click on proxy list, and the moment you click on proxy list, look at it guys. So you have 10 proxy. Okay, I'm going to show you how to source them, so that's why you have to watch this video. Okay, so now we have all these proxies, they are working, and if I should shift this right here, you can see that this is from United States. It's from United States. This is also from United States. This is from France. All right, so we have 10 right here. It's from France. So what do you do when you want to get it. So you can source by country, you can download all the proxy details, you can replace proxy. If you click on this refresh button now, it is going to refresh all of this proxy. So you see now you can, and I think you should do this when you come. Just try to look for the latest proxy, and you can see this one was last checked 1 minute ago. The rest are size 2 minutes, so you have 1 minute. So I just like, it's ideal for you to go with any of the proxies that are just new, okay, so that you'll be among you'll be like the first person to use it, okay, before it's and I also want you to know that these proxies can be given to somebody else's shared proxy, and I'm also going to tell you the kind of platform to use it for. All right, so we'll just keep up going. So I can come over to this place and click country, and right here we can see the countries where we have the proxy at the moment. So I thought for my own plan today, there is no UK, so I either have from US, I have from France one, and I have from Proxies. I don't know how to really pronounce this. So but if I want just the US one, I can just uncheck all of this, right? So and then leave just US, then I click on save, and now I have all the US plan. So it's going to refresh. So I have just US proxies here, so the France and all have been taken out. Now if I click on replace proxy, look at it. So if you want to replace proxy, I think before it used to be free, but now you have to upgrade your plan for you to be able to replace this proxy. What it means is that you must at least have a plan with them, like purchase any proxy from them. Then you, if you have a proxy with them, then you can be able to replace these free ones. Okay. Now we have authenticator method. I always suggest you use username and password. Don't use IP authenticator. IP authenticator is the fact that you are going to the particular phone you want to use is IP, or the laptop. You are going to copy the IP on that laptop and impute it on this system here. If you click on it, now they are going to show you where you're going to impute that system, so that these IPs can only be able to work on that particular phone. So you don't want to do that. Always go with username and password so you can use it on any phone. Then that connection method, just leave it the way it is. Direct connection, you can do rotating proxy endpoint, while just do direct connection so that your proxy can be started as long as you want it to be. Now you can see that a new one was just added now. You can see this one just came in just now. It was checked just now, though we still have it, and this proxy is currently working. All right, so this is your proxy address, this is your port number, obviously, then this is your username, this is your password. All right, so once you connect all of this, um if you connect all of this, I would have wanted to do this for us. Maybe I have to use my phone to connect it, but just to make this video short, because I did not connect my phone initially, so that is going to take a bit of a time for me to get my phone to appear on the laptop for me to connect it for you to see. But these proxies are working. All right, I've used them before. Now, what kind of platform can you use this proxy on? I will always say that if you have not watched my video, I think you should watch this particular video. Where is it? Best proxy application. It's going to show you the kind of application to set up proxy and websites for you to check the quality of proxy you are using. And I'm also thinking of making a video where I'm going to show you websites. Like, not all website gives you real or good details about a particular proxy. All right, so knowing the right website to use to check your proxy will actually keep your account safe when you are opening a survey account. So if you also want me to do that video, please put it in the comment section. Personally, I'm thinking about it, and I was thinking maybe it's not relevant, depending, but if you want it, put in the comment section. I'm going to make that video. I'm going to show you all the platform that I use personally to screen my proxy to make sure that the proxy is actually what it is. Okay, so I'm not going to connect it, but I'm going to take the platform that you can use it for. First, make sure your analysis, if you will, I call it in depth, we call it doing your analysis with the proxy, like checking your proxy to make sure that the particular proxy, some of them may show true, meaning that the website will detect them. So just go through them, each one of them that you are looking for, and then uh, look for the one that is okay. Now, when you look for the one that is okay, know that this is a shared proxy, and you don't want to use it with platforms that are very security conscious. All right, you want to use it with platform like that are not that conscious. with proxy. Okay, so you can use it with like prime opinion, and you know, you can use it with Acash. I think you can also work with Acash survey. So I personally, these are the first two, or these are the only two I'm going to mention. But if you know any other proxy platform that are not very security or IP sensitive, you can use this free one. Now, if probably you check all of this IP and after all, um, they do not have, it is not quality enough for you to use it, just come later on. You are going to have new ones again. You check the next day, and probably you're going to get one that's going to be manageable for you. But then if you don't want to do this, maybe you want to get a proxy, I'm going to make a next video about that. I'm going to show you how to get the cheapest proxy here that you can use without struggle. All right, so like this, now you have to go through each of the IPs to be able to get the one that is actually good. But when you subscribe with them, you can get a very cheap proxy. I'm going to show you how to do all of that to get a very cheap proxy that you can use for Prime Opinion, Acash, and the others. So see you in the next video. This is the end of this particular video. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And like I said, if you have any comment or any question, put it in the comment section and I'm going to attend to it. So see you. Stay connected.